Thank you all of you to be present here and follow just my introduction to building block that can be considered reinforced wood as an innovative material for sustainable construction. Why? Because if we can here, we can focus on 6 of 30 European ONU objectives, starting from the health status until the innovation production, sustainability, and also the action on climate. Because BR building block is a green solution to build new construction, and we communicate innovation and sustainability together. Just to show you how now, how now we can see different green solutions that are used in modular systems. For example, we can see combination of fiber and woods, or XLAM, or woods and panels, and so on, just to create in short time all different types of buildings. But if we go depth in different technologies of construction in modern times, in green technologies, we can see the most important now are XLAM, or cross-laminated fiber, wooden frame system, and blockhouse. But we know that there are already some wooden bricks used for construction, but not so widespread as a new technology. And we can consider here bio-building block as the new alternative system. Why innovative in front of all these technologies? Because this technology is the only one that can create a reinforced or armored wooden wall. In fact, is patented international, and this is the unique solution that can combine strength wall wooden and or reinforced or armored wooden wall and high value of sustainability. This is just to show you the shape of our wooden brick. And just let me to analyze what the current systems used for XAM connection, like for example hold on, hold down, and skew, are a systematic problem, especially in case of strong earthquake or seismic events, because all the energy of seismic waves can cross all the panels of XLAM, or cross-laminated timber, and the energy can be dissipated only in these angles, hold down, hold on, and the result is distorted shape after the systemic events. And the importance of this system is to create a stable and strong system against seismic events. But anyway, after the event, this distortion can't be more safe for new seismic events. Sorry. To solve this issue, we can see different type of solution, technical solution. In this figure, you can distinguish always the use of long steel bars attached to the panels, the wooden panels, with some plates, different in form. But generally, this conception led to the discharged energy of the seismic waves in a better way. This type of construction mimic the idea of an exoskeleton, like insects, for example. So it could be useful, but it always have some critical issues in constructions. How we can solve this problem? So, by using our new innovative system, biobuilding block, because it's a new technology that in a way can represent all the advantages of existing construction solutions. In fact, it is a biphasic element, has very high anti-seismic capabilities. It could be removable and reassembled for new structures in according to the conception of a circular economy. It made with only natural materials or recyclable materials in the conception of a circular economy. And also it's light and let to construct in a modular way, very easy and fast way. So let me show you the different advantages that you can cover with the use of this simple but very strong brick. Above all, the inner space can be filled with the natural materials that can vary from wood shavings to corks to wool shape, for example, other vegetable fiber like from hemp. So this use of natural materials enhance the value of sustainability that can be represented by this brick. And also we have the possibility to customize these bricks with channels to host, for example, pipes or conducts for water or electric system, or also to host electrical socket. So during the design projection, you can decide the exact position of these different customized bricks. In a way, in a word, you have no waste material during the construction of new buildings. And that's very great in terms of sustainability. And finally, what is really important by using these wooden bricks is the possibility to tie each other, to connect each other by skewing the steel bars that you can see in the brick. Also, vertical or horizontal bars. The effect, the final effect of a connection is to have a reinforced or armored wooden wall. The first reinforced wooden wall in the world. So this is the unique system that can offer to you this possibility of construction. Just let me show some differences of biobuilding block with other normal materials used for constructions. We weight about 10 kilos for brick. It means really light, but very strong in terms of pressure capability, because we reach about 25 megapascal. Just 10–15% less than concrete, armored concrete, or concrete blocks. But the differences of other normal bricks of other materials, as you can see here, are less than biobuilding block. For example, tough block is 5 times less strong than B-building block. Also, 1.6 times less in terms of capability to resist compression pressure. The concrete blocks generally is just 15–20% more strong in pressure, but about 5 times less light than biobuilding block, and so on. Now we are developing new types of bricks that can reduce these small differences. Our aim is to become in near future total comparable for compression with the strongest bricks our now used, but always the better choice for other differences, for other characteristics like light, for example. In fact, just one cube meter has a 300 kilogram, so it's very light system. Just to give you click on link to show you the video how biobuild block can be used to construct small villas like this one in the video. It's just a simple project that we can do for our clients, but it's possible to construct buildings with more than 2, 3, 4 floors. It's not a problem, because the bit can resist more high pressure. This is always the way to show you how is it possible using these simple bricks for modular constructions like these homes. Sorry, can you pick on the link? No, the other link, please, to show how it works for the construction. Sorry, this link, please. How it works to construct a very fast way, a simple modular construction like a bungalow or a chalet. Can you? Okay. As you can see here, each row of bricks can be made very easily. Just skew the bars in a very fast way in a short time. More or less about 1 day to complete all the structure of 30 square meters. So is a strong system and very easy to use. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, this is a central point for considering biobuilding block as an alternative to concrete system or other wooden system. We can reduce or subtract about 10 kilos of dioxide carbon from environment for each brick. And if you consider, for example, a small villa of 100 square meters, it translates in approximately 24 tonnages of energy carbonic subtracted from the environment. From this point of view, you can consider how big is the contribute in terms of sustainability of this new system. Also because we use only certified materials like wooden from Austria, marked for this use according to the Forestal Stewardship Council. It's always certified in the cutting of trees. And above all, I think the use of natural materials can contribute also for the circular economy. Because if you think to natural materials like, for example, fiber as wood chips from the labor of natural woods, or hemp, for example, or cork, or cellulose flakes, or recycled paper, why not? Also, sheep's wool obtained from recycle of old clothing, itself representing a real high value of circular economy, okay, and high value of sustainability itself. And the same biobuilding blocks can be used again, because you can assemble the construction, disassemble it, and assemble again in another place if you want. So this is another witness of circular economy and the high value of sustainability. And also from the economic point of view, there is an advantage in using these bricks to construct innovative buildings, because physical characteristics that are discovered in the laboratory tests show us the high value of thermal insulation or acoustic insulation. So above all, the first one, thermal insulation, can be translated in recovery of energy consumption and also in less money cost, but also less producing of pollution for energy. So always the circle of sustainability is closed with biobuilding block. And this is really important for the impact that we can see in the entire environment around us, like, for example, climate change. The contribution of reduce the CO2 in the atmosphere, in the environment, is first aim of our bio-building block. So how we applicate the modular system in construction conception, modular conception. Here you can see different models that we can create. They are very simple, but we can create by projection also structure more complex than this one. Just to give you an idea of the recognized value of innovation and sustainability value for bio-building project is already received last year in 2022 and this year 2023 from Corporate Wire as international recognized in the world as a new sustainable business. And also Premio America Innovazione received this year in the Parliament of Italian government as the most innovative startup, because we are very young as our system. So we hope to scale up as soon as possible in the world. Thank you to all.